LogoRRR helps you analyze log files. For our example, we use a relatively large file with over 3.5 million lines.
This release includes new features, independent windows, improved search colors, copying, and fast search.
First, the window layout. Tabs can now detach from the main window into their own windows.
That is practical. Now I can use my second monitor for something useful too.
Here, the text view shows incoming logs directly. The colors for info, warning, and severe are easy to recognize.
The timeline helps with large files. Here we slowly zoom into a group of entries and back out.
Now we search for warning, info, and severe. The progress bars show how LogoRRR works.
Then I click Copy. The clipboard can include the visible text and, when needed, the graphical block view too.
Searches feel more stable now, especially with large files.
This is the new LogoRRR version. Thanks for watching, and get LogoRRR on the App Store.